guys, it's Pam. I am sitting outside of Target. It's back to school season, so I thought I'd go check out what kind of items Target has that can help your students stay organized. So let's go. Memo Clips are great to use for reminding your student of due dates for their homework and tests. You can choose either little chalkboards or whiteboards to help you remember. These little pockets stick to the back of smartphones and are a great place to keep student IDs or library cards. Check out these cups. I love the sentiment. Done is always better than perfect. I love this dry erase wall calendar poster. It has the days of the week listed so your student can see the entire week's schedule at a glance. It also has other sections for reminders. These caddies are just like the ones at the Dollar Tree store that I've highlighted in previous videos. They're great for holding school supplies at home. However, these appear to be $3 here at Target. Over here they have plastic magazine holders. These look like they've got a little groove on the side so that you can connect it to another holder like these two. See how they connect together? So you can keep things like your subject folders nice and neat and organized. This is kind of like an all-in-one case. You can see on the inside that it has an expandable file for each of your subjects. It has a 3-ring binder and a pocket in the back for possibly a tablet. And on the front, it has a zipper compartment for your pens and maybe a calculator. So you just zip everything up like this and carry it off to class. These expandable wallet folders are awesome because they have the enclosed sides. That way you never have to worry about papers falling out. Expandable organizers will help you keep important papers that you need to refer back to for tests and final exams. And for less than $14, it's a steal. Oh my gosh! Check out these adorable pencil cases and matching scissors. How cute are they? I'm loving this whiteboard with the days of the week. It can help you keep your weekly tasks visible so you won't forget anything. If your student has a lot of computer work, this monitor riser is a must. Check out this drawer that pulls out underneath. The monitor sits on top and the desk supplies tuck neatly underneath. Any college student could definitely use these awesome desk organizing pieces. These matching organizers include hanging file sorters, medium and large box files, 3 different desktop organizers, drawer organizers, and even a file crate. Each of these pieces range in price from $5 to $11. While we're on the topic of college students, Target has got a large assortment of products to maximize space in a small dorm room. Storing items under their bed is a great space saver. These underbed storage organizers would be great for storing out-of-season clothes. The clear top helps you see what you have while keeping your clothes clean and dust-free. When you don't have a lot of extra room, you need to consider using your vertical space. This over-the-door shoe organizer is a must. You can use it for shoes and clothing accessories, or you can store cleaning supplies or office supplies or even extra snack foods. It could be like a hanging pantry. This hanging closet organizer not only offers you several compartments to store your folded clothing, but it also includes a hanging hamper at the bottom, so you can keep all your items off the floor. This narrow hanging closet organizer would be a great storage solution for keeping your shoes up off the floor. You may not think of it often, but this shoe drying mat would be great for those rainy or snowy days on campus. You don't want to drag mud and water from your shoes into the dorm room. These mats can really help keep the floor clean and dry. And finally, I love these horizontal shelving units. They can be used on the floor as a shoe organizing option, or you can set them on top of the shelving in the closet to take advantage of the higher vertical storage space. Either way, it'll help you stay neat and organized in your dorm. Okay, another successful trip at Target. I absolutely love their desk organizing supplies. That really soft white plastic set, it had everything you could possibly need to organize your desk or office. And I think it's something that would work really well in a dorm, and as an added benefit, even after they get out of school, they could still use it in their office. So anyway, lots of good organizing stuff at Target. Pricier, of course, than some other stores like Walmart or the Dollar Tree, but still awesome products. You can't go wrong at Target, let's face it, okay? We all love Target. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and poke that subscribe button too, and ring the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer Easy 911. Thanks for watching. Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.